Choosing the right air filter doesn't have to be complicated. We're here to break it down in a way that is easy to understand. Let's start with the basics. If you're just looking for basic filtration, a fiberglass filter is a solid choice. It's affordable and does a decent job of trapping larger particles, like dust and debris. But it won't capture smaller stuff like pollen or pet dander, so it's really just for basic air quality. For something a bit better, pleated filters are a great option. They have more surface area, which means they trap more dust and debris than fiberglass filters. They're good for general filtration and can handle a bit smaller particles, but they still might not get everything. Now, if allergies or asthma are a concern, HEPA filters are the way to go. These filters are the gold standard. They can trap up to 99.97% of particles as tiny as 0.3 microns. So they're perfect for catching everything from dust mites to pet dander to even some bacteria and viruses. Another option is electrostatic filters. These use static electricity to attract particles, and they can be washable, which makes them a more eco-friendly option. They're great for people who want to avoid replacing filters constantly. Now that we have discussed those four main options and what they are best for, you need to know that each filter will have a MERV rating. The higher the number, the better the filter traps smaller particles. Don't worry, we will explain this in more detail in future videos, so be sure to subscribe. If you made it this far, are you using the right filter for your space? In the coming days, we'll break down each type of filter in even more detail, so you'll have all the information you need to choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching and learning with Simply Filters.